Hi, this is your Houston Chiropractor Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Labrina here, all the way here from Maryland, up by north of Baltimore, right?
Yep, right around.
And her husband or boyfriend?
Boyfriend.
Boyfriend Kyle, he's a Maryland crack addict. So he told Labrina that she needs to come see me because she's got a hitch in her get along down here. And she's also got most of her pain though up in her upper thoracic spine here between her shoulder blades. It goes out into her shoulders on both sides. She's had numbness and tingling bilaterally in her fingers, and actually the palms. It doesn't go into the fingers, it stops in the palms of her hands.
Right.
And then she has bilateral shoulder pain, and she's got rib cage pain that's traversed around on the left side of her ribs there. She was in an automobile accident in 2013, went to the ER. They told her she had bruised ribs, but didn't x-ray her. Imagine that. So, anyway, she said they didn't give her a diagnosis. I told her I would give her a diagnosis today. We already have done her history and examination. Was that thorough, by the way?
It was very
Yeah.
thorough, yes.
Cool. Okay, so I'm going to have you show them your posture for us here first, Labrina. So you can tell she's a side sleeper, head forward and translated to the right, plus also turned to the right. And I had to get her to straighten up a few minutes ago, or she would have been all like torqued to the right. All right. Now let's go ahead and lay you on your tummy here then. So this is her very first chiropractic adjustment ever, not just here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief, but ever. I told her she was going to be really spoiled after today.
Mm-hmm.
See, her left leg is half an inch shorter down here on the Deerfield leg check. I bring it up, it gets even, and that tightens up in her thighs and her lower back, which is a positive Knockless for the lumbar spine and sacrum, and a positive Deerfield on the left. Now this is an interesting test here, sacral deviation. Go ahead and lift your right leg up for me, Labrina. Now see, she has a hard time doing that, and that causes some minor pain and tightening in her lumbar spine. Do this left one now though. But this one's even harder. You can see it doesn't come up as high. So she has bilateral sacral deviation, but it's worse on the left side. And I caught her crossing her legs about 10 times during the history. So ladies, crossing your legs and sitting all sidewalkish in your chairs on your phone or your computer all day is going to cause your pelvis to go out, because she's also been having bilateral hip pain down here too, which I believe is from her SI joint subluxations right here, which I'm adjusting right now. Okay, keep breathing. There you go. Don't worry, I've heard all those noises before. There you go. Okay, let me have you here. There you go, better. I have to get in there deep quite a bit, so some of these may be a little sore. Now that should have felt a little easier that time.
Way easier.
Yeah, cool. There you go, good. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. Crack addicts gonna love you for two reasons right off my head. One is this your very first time getting a chiropractic adjustment. The other one is you got yoga pants. She came prepared. There we go, good. Slide down this way just a bit and put both arms straight out, palms facing up. But if you watch any of my videos, you know that I like patients wearing their yoga pants because I get a better biomechanical analysis. I really do.
Yeah.
There you go. Plus it's more comfortable usually for the patient too.
Put your arms on your belly.
Yeah, just put your hands on your tummy. That girl. Feel that all the way up into your hips?
Oh yeah.
Good girl. Okay, let's sit you face towards Kyle. She's either gonna be thanking you or cussing you after you leave. Yeah, I think so. There you go. That's your right shoulder. See, this one moves a little easier than your right one did.
For sure.
Not a girl. Yep. Didn't hurt me a bit. Yep. You just noisy all over.
I know. I can breathe in too hard and crack.
Okay. Okay, so let's have you lay on your back on this table, butt right here, head up that way. She's your size, Renee. Got these small, being the last pigs with you.
She's a lot tinier.
There you go.
Ooh, tight.
Yes, ma'am. Just the way I like it.
Well, for the patients.
Well, yeah, of course. God, it's all her fault. Yeah.
Oh.
There you go. Okay. Keep your teeth together for me. I got you. Breathe normal with your left ear. There you go. Just like that. Yes, ma'am. That was perfect.
Did
I'm
good.
jealous. That was absolutely perfect. I felt that move all the way down. I know you did.
Yeah.
You're still kicking too. I got you. That a girl. Tilt right. There you go. Very nice.
You guys hear all that?
Very nice, huh? They probably heard that up in Maryland.
That's what I was about to say. I had that all the way back home.
Yep. Okay, so Labrina, we're gonna get up sideways, kind of bring your legs over like this and see sideways like that. You okay?
Yeah, I still
Feel
feel
the
it.
blood rushing everywhere
Oh,
right now?
yeah.
You'll be a little sore for about 72 hours,
I'm sure.
but that'd be better if you just don't cross your legs all the time.
Okay.
Okay, let's come over here. I got me a new instrument to
Uh-oh.
adjust the atlas. Not new for me, but new for you.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards in our crack headaches. They haven't seen me use this much either. Okay, take a look in the mirror now. See, you're not so far right anymore.
Yeah.
But here's your
Definitely
homework right here. Pull
Okay.
both shoulders up and back.
Okay.
Flare these guys here.
Okay.
Okay, and then we're gonna bring your head straight back. You're right, see? So we're gonna look in the mirror, translate left,
Okay.
and then look backwards at the wall behind you. You might wanna spread your feet a little bit further apart so it'll knock you over. You're gonna feel a little tap right there in the atlas. Good, okay, relax. Let me stretch this forward just a bit. I'm gonna bounce these muscle spindles with this Arthur stem. It's gonna bounce your muscle spindles and loosen those up so it'll be a little easier. That's probably sore right there.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right. Now let's have you flex forward and backwards again. Now that should have felt smoother. You tell me though.
Yeah, I feel like it doesn't go as far right.
Yeah, you're not tilted over to the
Yeah.
right anymore either.
Sore for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah,
But
you're gonna be sore for about 72 hours. You
Yeah.
can just punch Kyle and thank him.
I will.
No problem there. So, what would you have to share with our crack addicts around the world about your very first time chiropractic experience?
I would say definitely worth it. Definitely feel better. I feel like I'm standing better already and not so far to the right.
Well, how does this chiropractic history exam compare to the medical histories and exams that you've had?
Yeah, it's definitely very thorough. When I went into any doctor to go, after my accident or anything, they were just like, what hurts? And I tell them, and they're like, okay, well, you probably are bruised, or, something like that. You just take some ibuprofen, ice it, whatever. As opposed to here, he's very thorough with what he does, and tells me everything that's going on and what he does and when he does it. And
Yeah.
I appreciate
I
it.
told you where you were hurting.
Yeah,
Yeah.
before I even told you.
Yeah. Okay, well, thank you for sharing your experience with everyone, Labrina.
Thank you.
This is your Houston Chiropractor Dr. Gregory Johnson coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief, where we're changing lives one spine at a time.